Thanks for joining us at 11. Take a look at this video. Stunning images in Calaveras County where a strong storm system moved in, prompting a tornado warning earlier and urgent calls for people in the area to seek shelter. Along with funnel clouds came the rain, downpours taking many people by surprise.
We need the rain, but we don't need it all at once.
KCRA3 viewer Mike Furlong sent a video in from Valley Springs showing the rotation of that funnel cloud. You can really see it in some video that we're going to show you throughout the newscast. There you go. You can see it really circling there.
We also have some more viewer video to show you. This is the rotation of the clouds over Valley Springs earlier this afternoon. Joel Sawyer taking this video from his backyard. This is behind the Fusion Grill. Now that system bringing a lot of rain and hail to the region in a very short period of time. And as an example, you can see some standing water in a parking lot in Valley Springs. Don't know if we can bring that up, but drivers being cautious as they made their way through the flooded area.
So this is what people in Burson and Calaveras County saw late this afternoon. You can just hear that thunder and the rain coming down really, really hard. While parts of Northern California were dealing with the tornado warning, people in the Sierra were seeing snow, and it's still coming down tonight on and off. From the Sierra to the Valley, we saw a little bit of everything today across our region.
In short, it was wet and wild today. Parts of the region are still feeling the impact too. We have live team coverage of all the wild weather we saw today. KCRA3's Melanie Wingo standing by for us in Cisco Grove, Orcomana, in Valley Springs. Let's start with our chief meteorologist, Mark Fine.
And yeah, just a really interesting day with the snow in the Sierra. We're still seeing some showers in the area, but we started off the afternoon with thunderstorms, strong thunderstorms in the Stockton area developing around noon, lasting up through about 1:30. That area dissipated, and shortly thereafter, we saw another line of thunderstorms develop just to the south of the Comanche Reservoir, backed it up to the time between 4 and 7 o'clock. We were keeping an eye on that thunderstorm, noting that it had a little bit of rotation with it as detected by the Doppler radar. The National Weather Service spotted the same sort of thing and then prompted a tornado warning. That meant that they saw the rotation on radar, hadn't detected an actual tornado, hadn't been spotted on the ground, but out of an abundance of caution, they did issue that warning for this entire area around Valley Springs, San Andreas, and parts of southern Amador County. Maybe some of you in that area did get that warning on your phone or something like that. We did not have a tornado. Number of pictures of funnel clouds, as you've seen already, but we did not see an actual tornado. You can see where the rotation was, though. Let me zoom in on Valley Springs, and we'll back up the time. You'll see this little area of blue go by right here. That's the rotation as indicated on Doppler radar. So it went right over Valley Springs. But again, thankfully, we did not have a tornado, didn't really have any damage. But the thing that we did see was look at the areas of orange and red on Doppler. That indicated the heavy rain and the hail, big time downpours in that area, all dissipating now. Back to you.
All right, Mark, thanks. We want to stay in that area. That weather system caused a lot of issues for people in its path. KCRA3's Orcomana is live for us in Valley Springs tonight. Orco, what are the conditions there right now?
Well, Brittany, there are still a few sprinkles coming down right now, but nothing like what we saw earlier. All the rain throughout the day created some slick conditions on the roads and also caused some minor street flooding like you're seeing here near the Taco Bell off Highway 12. Folks in this area say they were caught off guard by today's tornado warning.
Oh boy.
Heavy rain falling in Calaveras County during Thursday's tornado warning. This is video Lou Kubiak took from his home in Valley Springs.
I've been here 34 years.
But in that time, Kubiak says he's never seen anything like this. Footage sent to KCRA3 from across the area showing funnel clouds forming in the sky. Kubiak says it was quite the sight.
I could see it coming. Yeah. I could see it coming, and, you know, when the clouds dropping like they do, and they got closer, then the wind started.
The tornado warning lasting until 6 p.m. Even after it ended, floodwaters still impacted some roadways. Those from Burson, just west of Valley Springs, describing the wild weather.
It was crazy. The wind picked up, the skies got dark, and the rain was like I've never seen. I've been out here 15 years. I've never seen it rain that hard, that fast.
The storm also impacting a crew of firemen at a house fire near Burson while they were battling the blaze.
We were in the middle of doing the fire attack, had a lot of it knocked down, and that's when the warnings came across.
Calaveras Consolidated Fire District Fire Chief Rich Dickinson telling me this is all that remains of the home, which was destroyed in the fire. Sadly, one dog died, but everyone else made it out safely, and the fire was out when the rain started to fall.
I had everybody go into their shelter in their vehicles, and we had to kind of wait it out. I mean, it was coming down buckets and buckets, and hail the size of, I'm going to say, ½ inch hit my vehicle. So it was really coming down hard.
Luckily, no tornado touched down, but it's a day no one will ever forget.
I've lived in California a long time, been through earthquakes, fires, floods, but I haven't had the imminent warning of a tornado.
Again, the good news, there was no tornado, but as you can see, it's still pretty wet all over Calaveras County, so if you're in the area, take it slow on the roads. Reporting live in Valley Springs tonight, Orko Manna, KCRA 3 News.
Yeah, Orko, it's just always a good tip when there's some sort of weather, right? Yeah, we want to give you another look at that funnel cloud we've been telling you about. This is video taken from South Petersburg. This was about a mile away from Valley Springs, and you can really get a good idea of its size and see that swirl in the sky.